Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to do this lovely quilt card using the new 2024 to 2026 InColors. So let's get started. These are the pieces that you're going to need to create this card yourself. A card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. A square for the quilt part that's 4 inches by 4 inches, and if you lightly with a pencil go from corner to corner to make the X. Then a piece of coordinating cardstock, 4 1/8 by 4 1/8 square, 4 strips of your DSP, 1/2 inch strip wide, 4 basic white squares, which are 3/4 of an inch squares, and then some coordinating cardstock and basic white for the sentiment. These are the InColors. I don't know if you've seen them yet. They are pretty cool. So these are the colors that we use today. The Pretty in Pink, the Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, and the Shy Shamrock. I did not use the Summer Splash, I believe, for this one, but I'll have to save it for another one. So let's start with our card base. It's already scored, so we're going to go ahead and fold it and use the bone folder to make sure it's a nice crisp fold. The quilt square, you can see that I drew the X there. I'll set the cardstock aside for a second. Then we're going to take our strips, and let me get my glue ready. So first you want to lay, I just did 2 of the same coordinating strips along the line here. So you want to leave room on this side, the right side, because I'm just going to put a little glue on one side along the line. Let me get my trusty silicone mat out. So along the line, it's going to be over a little bit here on this side, and then I'm going to hold that one there for a second, and then take this one and do the same, but I'm going to tuck it under here. Does that make sense? And then line them up here. So that one I'm going to just put a little glue here. Oh, my glue is just coming out. So tuck it under the first one, line it up here. There we go. And then we'll bring this next one. So since this is, I guess you can do a pattern. So this is over, under, over, and this one needs to be under. So this one will go under this one here. So that's what makes the pattern. So let me put a little glue here. Oh, it is so oozing. I'm just going to use what I have. So over, under, and then a little bit on here. And this one's already glued down, so I'll do the next one. Just kind of going there, and then the last bit would be right here. And that's the pattern. What do you think? I think it's all glued down. Let me get my scissors. So you're just going to flip it over. Did I miss one? I did. Promised myself I wouldn't stop I'll just keep going. Okay, so then I'm going to dab some of that extra glue, and then just use your scissors, flip it over so you can see the edges, and you're just going to cut along the quilt square. Get those corners off. I'll definitely have to wash off my snips after this. And a couple more snips. And the quilting part is cool. Alright. So let me get these out of the way. And there you have it. What do you think? And then the touch is to actually, I'm going to go ahead and just use the squares. And you're just going to use the squares to make that design. I don't know if any of you are quilters. Is there something on this one? Yep. Different quilts use different designs, different shapes, over and over. But I thought this was a very unique and special one that we can use the InColors to make a great design. There it is. Then you're going to go ahead and adhere the quilt part onto the cardstock part. That's my clockwise adhesive so the corners don't pop up. I'm going to have to move this one just a little bit to cover up that corner. Good thing glue is forgiving. I'll do the same clockwise adhesive. Oops, I missed a corner on that one. And that'll go here. And then for this, I use the Everyday, what is it called? Everyday Details. These two dies right here for the sentiment. I use the new, it's the online exclusive Changing Leaves, A Little Note to Brighten Your Day. Do that in Shy Shamrock to match. Here we go. Stamp that right there. It's a really tight fit for all the letters. Let's go ahead and put some mini dimensionals on. And then there. A couple more strips of adhesive on the back of that. I love how the colors coordinate with that. And then some of the 2024, 2026 InColors Shimmer Gems. I use the pick my tool. Let's see, let's do some Shy Shamrock. And this is Petunia Pop, so I'll do a Petunia Pop. They always say do it in threes, right? So let's do another Petunia Pop on this side. Oops. There you go. All right. So what do you think of the quilting technique? Those are the two, and I'll have to make more. I love sharing this technique with you. Please like, comment, share my video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe, and click the notification, and you'll get a notification every time I do a new video. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.